Part 3 of Bee Swarm Simulator. Sorry, I just go be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's go. No. Okay, let's go back up there. Because I need to go back up there. That's the easy way over here. Hasty Bee is out of energy. Going to sleep. I like Flamingo. I like Flamgo. He's funny. Excuse me. I want one. I can afford it. Let's go in here. Okay, let's go. Jeez. Okay, let's go, go, go. Speed, speed, speed. Got 2 speeds at the same time. Hi, Frog. Froggy. Froggy. Frog. It's a frog out. Tornado. Oh, oh, oh. Ow, that hurt me. Okay, I never knew that was actually gonna hurt me. Okay, I didn't know. I'll just stay right here. Hi, Froggy. I'm gonna hit you. You don't care? Okay, okay, okay. You don't care that I'm... You don't want to be in the video? Stupid. You don't want to be in the video. You really killed me, Snail? And you gotta shake your butt like that. Snail? Bad snail. That stupid snail! I need to go back up there. Okay, when is it gonna be night? Eli, will you be able to come down when it turns night? Wait, why should I plant it at night? Why should I plant it at night? Because it has a chance to get a moon sprout. Oh, yes. But I'm not going to get a moon sprout. Pretty good. I want a moon sprout. Or you can either get a moon sprout where you get lots of moons, or get like a gummy sprout during the day. Gummies. Gummy sprout. Wait, is the gummy sprout really good? Well, you gotta be with me. I'm not doing it if you're not with me. Let's go. I am there already. No, not right now. Not night. Moon. I guess gummy. But I'm not gonna get it. Okay. Present. You got one too? What does the bear do? Yeah. Dude, no, this other dude's here. God. Okay. Let's go. Let's plant this really good moon charm. It's gonna get me. He said. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I got the need to get it. It's gonna break. Then I'm million. I think it's a million. Let's just get it. Yes, I love the soundtrack. Me too. I love the soundtrack. What's your channel named? Tell him your channel. Okay, let's break it. Let's see if he's playing. Moons! No, dude! He's stealing all the moons! Dude, they stole my sprout. They stole my sprout. How do I get another sprout?
You have to buy them at the stump area.
I know that.
You have to have tickets. 20 tickets for one magic bean. Or you can spend.
I don't have tickets.
Or you can spend 30 Robux for one bean.
That's not a good deal. 30 Robux.
Magic beans, you spawn a random sprout. So, sprouts are really good.
30.
That's why they're so expensive.
Okay then, I'll spend my Robux on.
Yeah, my sister has Roblox Premium, like me, now.
Let's see their shop. Store.
She wanted to get, like,
How do I get their,
what do you need,
the
Sarah?
sprout?
Sprout?
Yeah.
It's 30 Robux for one sprout, or buy it at the stump area instead.
Yeah, but, it doesn't say.
The Robux shop?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just
Well, hey there, sisters. Hey there, sisters.
That's
Just a
the
sec.
Robux shop.
Oh. Well, here's the Robux shop.
Well, now you're gonna see that my sister has Robux.
Magic bean. Wait, can I get 10 magic beans?
You could, but that's 200 Robux.
This.
Or you could. Wait, before you do that, check all the things that you can get, because you might want to get other stuff too.
Berry, cubby. This would be really good.
Yeah, but it's a lot of Robux. A lot.
That would be real.
2 times pollen.
2 times.
You get twice as much pollen.
I'll do the. So me and you can buy now.
There, you got a magic bean.
Yes,
Doo-doo.
I got 1 magic bean. So I want the jelly. I want jelly bean. The jelly bean. I want jelly bean.
So, I'm back.
I want gumdrop bean.
I think I'm gonna buy. I can't move his arms. Since my sister bought a magic bean. I'm gonna buy it.
Where are you? Where are you at?
Ready? I can only get this. I don't have my Robux right now.
Wait, where are you? Can you tell me where you are?
It's not really that much of it.
I need 25 of these. Are you in 35?